how to reset your sound settings in Windows 11. So if you're having any issues with your audio not working or sounding different, I'm going to show you how to go in reset the settings. So there's basically 3 different things you need to do. The first thing is you need to come down to the bottom right hand side in the taskbar, go in right click on the volume icon and then press open volume mixer. You'll then need to scroll down to the bottom of the page and where it says reset sound devices, click on reset. Once you've done this, go and close out of this window. You'll then need to open up your start menu, search for the word services and click on this window. You'll then need to scroll down to the very bottom of this page and you'll need to find a service here called Windows Audio. So it's this one here. You could then right click on this and press restart. Once you've done this, close out of this window. You'll then need to right click on the volume icon and press sound settings. Scroll down to the very bottom and press more sound settings. And then just go in, double click on your speakers, click on advanced, and you'll need to press the restore defaults button. You can then press apply and OK. And once you've done this, check to see if your sound has now been reset. If you're still having any kind of sound issue, then open up your start menu again. Search for Device Manager and click on this window. Now click on the drop down arrow next to Sound, Video and Game Controllers. You then need to right click on your audio device and press Update Driver. Press Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Then go and select the driver from the list and press Next. You can then restart your computer, and that's how to reset your audio settings in Windows 11.